I just got the coolest thing ever. Check this out. I am hyped. Now I can cut the wood I got so I can put some in my fire pit. Super, super cool. Got a bunch of replacement. Oh, there's a wasp right there. Got a bunch of replacements for the chains right here. You got the charger, safety goggles, and additional battery, along with all of these tools and stuff right here. So you can adjust the chain right here, and you twist it, it'll loosen it. You can pull it out, tighten the chain and everything like that with this tool here. Super cool though. And then they got the lube, keep the chain, lubricated. All right, let's give this thing a test. We're gonna cut some wood today so I could put some up here in my little fire pit, this little thing. So I gotta cut some of this wood right here. Let's get going on it. All right, let's give it a shot. We're gonna go ahead and try to cut this, try to make it smaller pieces for my little fire pit. And this thing is no joke. If you guys want to check them out, I'll put the link at the bottom of the screen. You guys gotta get this stuff. Very freaking cool.